Hi friends, now we have Asus laptop. In the laptop there is a problem with the hard disk. For this now we are going to replace it. Now I will show you how to replace the hard disk and what are the components will be there in this. I will show you, and also I will show you how to remove the back panel. And also we will check what are the components is there inside. I will show you. With the use of this clip, I will try to remove the panel. This is the Asus battery. In this laptop, it is 4 GB RAM is there, and this is the hard disk. In this laptop, it's having 1 TB HDD is there, and also if you want, you can put SSD also here. Okay, that's it. Thank you.